Hey YouTube, I'm just gonna make a video how to make a paper boat, and yeah, so it's a way to life sailing. Okay, first start with A4 piece of paper. Now you're gonna fold it just across so it equals just a rectangle. And make sure it's always straight on the edges, or the boat will make a hole just in the front corner. Okay, put down that. So now it's that. Now the bit that is folded with no edge, you're going to create a triangle. So as you form a triangle, make sure it is dead straight. Okay, that's done. Hold that down. So now it performs a little house. Now, gonna make a hat, so you have to pull these two edges into the middle. That. So, and open it up. It's a hat. Oops. So now this is a bit tricky. You'll have to put it into there. Just move it down so you can see on my table. See that? Oh no. Sorry. So just gonna tuck that in there. Same with that. Now you can fold down. So now it is just that with an open edge. So now the bit that has fold, you must fold it to the normal regular side. Now flip it over, do the same. Now you see that? Just grab that bit there, keep on pulling it to equal a diamond. Then, after you pull that in, it creates just the base. Now you pull it in, creates your boat. Bon voyage!